Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings.
Who do you think you are, Jamshid? Matatiela on New Year's Eve.
All year.
Look at this girl. Yeah. And I'm just like the old aunt. I just want to sleep. So I very soon. But you can do a lot for her. Yo, okay, yo, bullies.
Kaloku ndazi abantu apha.
Uyayibona ke? Le nto bendithethile. So the time is 11:53 p.m. 31st December, and we are about to go into the new year. We bought gizzards from the local ladies. Oh, I wonder if you can hear me. I'm saying we bought gizzards from the local ladies. They are here supporting local businesses. And yeah, we're going to the new year, guys. We're so excited. And yeah, after that in July, I'm just doing it for my niece. Otherwise it didn't win. Now I come down but anyway, okay, moto, they're just doing it. That's why I'm like, I want to get out of here after 12 o'clock. Literally losing. And I thought when I went, but I didn't. It's too late now, right? I'm not counting it when you guys it's out tanders. I can't lend out your tanders. Like,
I want to be in the spirit so bad.
At what?
12 o'clock.
Yeah, we get into the new year on Tandazo. So yeah, we're gonna try. I'm cold actually, John. Hey, I local Italian sana sister because I also feel a putting your motor. And but yeah, looking forward to the new year. Hoping it's gonna bring interesting for me. 2024 was not bad, but I'm like ever cricket. As a week, but anyway, abantu sebeqalile ukwenza cricket zakhona. Oh, I shame the poor birds. Look.
Osamo, kumele sikhathi wethu umculo. Woza 2025.
We are waiting for you 2025. You hungry? What gizzards from the so busy get sign. So busy get sign. Hi, welcome to 2025. We're here, we made it, thank God. Obviously, we pray for a successful year. My tat is about, check that out. Whoa! It's happening, guys. I'm so glad that we are here. In 5 minutes I'm going home, Jolala. But we made it. Ooh. ndikhuphile ebendibambezela yayinxiba lokho yami yo
Yes.
na ishala
Ishala. Ungayivu ne-sinus. Yeah.
75 minutes ivosa ndayifosa mama mzathi ngale-10 baphangela uthe baphangela night shift so nabaya phaa esibhedlele bayafundekela bona so nathi sebafundekela khenedlala kaya mna otherwise I'm signing out.
Signing out.
Howdy, good night.
2024.
Hi, mommy.
Goodbye.
Hi sis nangumama mnyango JK
Fika singene endlini gogo.
I wouldn't be surprised if he comes here, huh? Happy Bazal. Bazal happy. Yara happy. Ngithe ngo-2025 ndifuna i-family meeting. I've been a good girl for my whole life. Ngo-2025 family meeting ndahlala.
Safika umntu ekrank sithi happy. Elele simthusi.
Cut this one. Sawujika kanjani khona apha? Yo. Akho lapha. Nangamso. Ayisesilahlekile. Nenza nindazile ngone. Sizawujika kanjani? How to make a U-turn?
Andiyiwani le.
You can't make a U-turn. Hana.
Nansi ayivele.
Hi guys, kuku. That's message. Hey,
Nansi la wethu sisandile.
you man. Thula sis. Ndaqakala le nto. Come on, look at this. I don't even like my voice in this video.
Because actually, why do I sound like that?
Okay, that side of the it's not even a highway.
What's her name?
I'm not saying about There's an ocean, but you won't be able to see it off the same night. But tomorrow I'm gonna try and get a view. Not from here, but yeah. Say hi. Say hi. So we're visiting her and Usmani right there. Posted us to the Muslim side. Back on hello.
They always.
Miss Habli.
Of course.
Miss Habli.
Why
Oh,
not?
now the baby's plate and yam. This book is. But anyway.
Hold on a cry.
Would you let me
cry? Should I hold on a cry? Yes. You are a citizen,
a resident in my heart.
You are a citizen,
A resident in my heart.
You are a citizen.
A resident in my heart. A resident in my heart. It's driving me wild.
I don't know how to do it. Traveling strong, I can't see myself do it. Going to places with you. I know I will be alright. Naba, abasanana, naba, abasanana. Yes, 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 yes. Naba, abasanana. Ndathi ndinabo. Bye Smiley.
We are to buy if there was no camera, and there's our time now. Akaphathi Nkosi yami futhi ngisayithini lento mntanami
Yes, 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 yes. Oh,
Inshallah. Roads are officially Stop it! Iphumile igate man, bhaka.
what the hell?
Yes, dear. Okay, we're wrapping up the holiday. So I'm sweating a bit because I was brisk walking. Need to go get this phone. But we are at the beach, Ramsgate. And we've had a pretty good holiday. Very tiring. And yeah, this is the last day of the holiday. Then we head back to... Where are we going? Back to work. Yeah, Zippy. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to the long drive, but the South Coast has been good. It's been very good. See, enjoy like kakhulu. Even the Eastern Cape, I'm close to Nibonila, Kawenzaka as a festivities, Zemigidi. Nayo yonke lanto bekumnandi man, bekumnandi. Yeah, so initially bengafuneka ngibasibuye kwecala, but because kaske siye elwandle and have a beach day, we decided ukubana actually let's wrap it up. Yabo. Okay, outfit of the day. Anizibona kahle because I'm sitting down. It's actually a two-piece, you know. But again, decide khululile lento engaphezulu. So yeah. Check it out. Someone please. Let me check out for now. We'll catch up later. And yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Nobody, I'm reaching 1 or 2 people. Don't have a problem as long as it's relatable go content. Thanks. Oh, up. Computers crash. Izolo khona.
Tine papalasa, tine papalasa. Oh, yankata.
Oh, yankanta.
List yakho la tatu shoot.
Uphi.
Yes.
She's being wretched. Well,
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes. I want to say no boost. Yes.
Sipunapha.
Sona phansi mawuthana. Oh Shambo. Iwesu ukyuthana yazi ke. Ukyutex. Yes, but the selling.
Usanele ude wafika guys 2 hours later. Say hi baba.
Check ba.
My followers.
Oh, mafollowers. Mafollowers. Sanibonani mafollowers. Yimini usisanele ngize ngafika after 2 hours. Oh, 25 minutes. Stop. I can't 25 minutes ago.
So ilondo ke guys. Please comment, like and subscribe.
Please comment, like and subscribe. Who comment on
my YouTube channel?
No YouTube. Uyamazi ngothanda izinto.
Awunomgqiba.
My fellow guys, amahle, please comment, like and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Yay!
Nivile ke guys. It is what it is. Okay, ndine cousins zam, cousin and niece. And ke bantu ebini.
Kutsho lo magazine.
Bekalo. Ngosifuna love magazi. And yazi abantu. Just like that, the holiday has ended. I'm going back home.